Namaste, welcome back. So again, today I am going to talk about the oriental way to cure or to make yourself more healthy. So in today's session, I'm going to talk about how to make your lungs more capable enough so that it can absorb more oxygen and so that your body can remain more immune to make your lungs more capable of holding oxygen. So how we have to do today, we are trying to focus on our two hands, which showing or which having the meridian passing through the both hands. These meridians link to the lungs, and with the help of these meridians we can make our lungs more healthy. So how we have to do, firstly, with the closed eyes, sitting in any meditative posture, you have to just focus on your breath. You have to see whether the breath which you are taking inside with deep inhalation, is it possible for you to take it more normally without any pressure, or is it very difficult for you to take that breath deeply with more pressure. Okay, so you have to focus on your breath, sitting in any meditative posture, closing your eyes, focus on your breath. With deep inhale, you have to feel that whether it is comfortable for you to inhale the breath deeply or you feel discomfort in inhaling the breath deeply. Try to do this 3 to 4 times. After watching your breath very carefully, try to get up on your mat or on your floor, taking your feet hip width apart. Now I'll show you how to utilize both hands meridian to make your lungs more capable enough. Okay, so feet hip width apart. And once again, I would like to say your focus should be more towards the extension of your hand. Okay, it should be more towards the extension than the flexion. Your focus should be the extension. With inhale, you have to take your hand in an extended way back, and your palms should face thighs. Okay, your palms should face the thighs. Inhale, extension as much as possible, and with exhale, relax. Inhale, extension, exhale, relax. So you have to do as a child used to do during his or her free time. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Focusing on your breath, you can keep on going. Try to keep on going for at least 100 rounds. Very relaxedly, very comfortably. Inhale and exhale, extension and relaxation. Extension, relaxation. Though it's a simple exercise, but it's very effective for your lungs. Focusing on your breath, keep on going with the practice. There is very least possibility of getting tired during this practice. If you feel tired, it means your lungs are very weak and you have to practice bit by bit to improve your lung capacity. In the beginning, you can go with the 100 rounds, but if it's difficult for you, you can go again slowly by slowly. You can start with the 50 rounds and then go with the 100 rounds. Never apply unnecessary pressure. You have to go very softly and gently. Hands meridian connecting the lungs Very effective tool, very effective technique to make your lungs and relax. Okay. After completing 100 rounds, you have to go by taking your palms facing towards the sky or ceiling 100 rounds once again. Again, your focus should be the extension and relax. 100 rounds. You have to just go slowly and gently without making yourself in the situation of discomfort. Go on slowly, slowly, and slowly, comfortably, comfortably, and comfortably. Just keep on going. The simple but effective technique to make your lungs more immune against the diseases. Keep on going, keep on going, keep on going. Keep on moving your hands and keep on going. If you feel tired in between, you can relax and again keep on going with the practice and try to complete 100 rounds. So this is the two way to make your lungs more stronger, more healthy, and make your capacity of the lungs to absorb more oxygen more comfortably. So when we are doing like this, you can also take the use of a 3 kg tool. It may be a dumbbell 3 kg or any comfortable thing which you have in your home. You can use it, you can hold it, a 3 kg dumbbell or any other thing. And again, with extension, relax. Extension, relax. Extension, relax. Extension, relax. Extension, relax. Extension, relax. After this, again sit down in any comfortable posture, in any meditative posture. Close your eyes, and again, this time you have to see or you have to watch your breath very carefully. This time you have to see whether this time inhalation, when you are inhaling the breath deeply, whether it's very comfortable or again still it shows the sign of discomfort. You have to again watch your breath after completing these two techniques of making your lungs more capable of holding oxygen. Closing your eyes, again focusing on your deep inhalation. You have to compare the breathing pattern, you have to compare the breathing before and after the practice. If you feel the breath which you are taking deeply is going inside very comfortably, it means you have done a really good practice. If you feel it's still very hard for you to inhale deeply, then you can keep on going with another round. And slowly by slowly, each day, every day, with the practice, you can make your lungs so this is a technique, Oriental therapy, to cure, to make your lungs healthy, to make your lungs build more capacity for the absorption of oxygen. Thank you very much. Keep on practicing, keep on doing, be healthy, be safe. Thank you very much.